Hi. Let's see a few shortcut keys in Excel. First is Control plus Backspace. This scrolls the screen so that the active cell is visible. Here, my active cell is E3. I am scrolling down the page to see some data. To get back to the active cell, I'll use Control plus Backspace. Second is Control plus Y. This will repeat the recent command or activity. Here, I am highlighting the heading of the first table. To repeat the operation for the second table, I'll press Control plus Y. Third is Control plus Z. This will undo a command. Here, I am selecting a few cells and making it bold. Pressing Control plus Z will undo the operation. You can reverse the effects of the past 100 actions, even the actions that are performed before saving the worksheet. Fourth is Control plus N. This will open a new workbook. Fifth is Control plus W. This will close the workbook. If the workbook has not saved, Excel asks us to save the workbook. Goodbye.